A new floor is a great way to dramatically change the look of any room. Laminate can give you that great hardwood look and feel without the price and an easier install. After stopping at your local Menards and picking up your materials, you'll need to allow your cartons of unopened planking to acclimate in the location of installation for 48 hours. Make sure the surface you're installing on is smooth, clean, level, and that the baseboards have been removed. Put your approved laminate flooring underlayment on top of your existing floor. On concrete, make sure you're also using an approved vapor barrier to keep moisture out. Many premium laminate flooring underlayments have vapor barriers incorporated in them, but if not, one can be purchased separately. Next, determine which direction your planks should lay and measure the room for square and width of the last row of flooring. For a more pleasing final look, the planks from the first row can be cut so that the first and last rows will be the same width. Make sure the teeth of the saw go into the top of the plank to reduce splintering. Now you can start laying the planks. Work left to right, making sure they are staggered at least 12 to 16 inches apart. Also, make sure to put 3/8 inch spacers between the wall and the planks. Insert your planks at a 20-degree angle and maintain inward pressure while gently moving the plank up and down as you slowly push it to the floor. Once together, there should be no gaps between the planks. If there are, use a tapping block and mallet to tighten the gaps. At the end of the run, the last piece should be tapped into place using a pull bar and a mallet. Spots like door frames and cabinets may require glue to ensure proper installation. If you don't have sufficient space to angle the planks into place, be sure you are only using glue on the tongue of the planks and not gluing the plank to the floor. After all of the planks are in place, you can now reinstall your baseboards. Enjoy your new room and make sure to stop into Menards for whatever you might need for your future projects.